Hi all, in this video let us see how to set up or reset JioFiber Wi-Fi password. First open My Jio app and navigate to Fiber tab. If your JioFiber number is already linked to My Jio app, you can skip this and jump to time 045. To link your JioFiber number, click on Link Now. Now click on JioFiber. Here enter your JioFiber registered mobile number and click on Generate OTP. Enter OTP and click on Submit OTP. Now your JioFiber account added successfully. Your JioFiber number displayed here, and now it loads all the details. To set up or reset password, go to My Device section. Here you can see list of paired and connected devices. You can block any connected device by clicking here. For Wi-Fi setup, go to Wi-Fi settings page. Here you can see two bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Open 2.4 GHz setup. Now click on Edit Name. Change name, and click Submit. Now click on Edit Password. Enter your desired password, and re-enter it below. And now click Submit. Done. Password is changed successfully. And it takes 10 to 15 seconds to reflect the changes in your Wi-Fi router. You can also change few settings related to visibility and WPS. Also, you can restrict the maximum number of allowed devices. Tap here and change the number. That's it. Same steps you can follow for changing 5 GHz band settings. It's a very simple and quick process. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful to you, please like and share. And please subscribe to the channel so that you will receive more such useful videos in future, and it motivates me to create more videos. Thanks again. See you in next video.